Hi, this is Cristina Dougherty with Cristina Dougherty and Associates, and today we're going to talk about what renovations are going to give you the most bang for your buck. I often get asked the question, what should I do first in my home? And in order to get the best bang for your buck, you really want to focus on your kitchen and your master bath. Those are going to be the first two places you focus. We all live in our kitchens, and usually they require the most work. If you are in a home that's over 30 years, you definitely want to consider replacing your cabinets, new countertops, maybe a new layout that works best for your family now. We live a lot differently 33 years later than they did in the late 80s. So if you're selling a home, you want to consider how you live and how future homeowners would live. Master bathrooms, again, the people purchasing the home are going to be I would assume, the people in the master bathroom. So that's usually a real eye catcher. If they know they don't have to go through a master bath renovation, that's big. Hall bath is a little easier. Maybe, you don't have children or your children are young and they can use your bathroom. So that can be done fairly easily, but it's a big disruptor to have the master bath done while you're there. The third place I would say would be systems. So when homeowners look at homes to purchase, they want to know how old is the HVAC, hot water heater, roof, windows. Those are systems that carry high price tags, and a homeowner needs to consider, or home buyer is considering whether or not they have to instantly put that money into a home. And the last place I would say would be flooring. It is expensive to put hardwood in, but people prefer it. So if you're considering just replacing carpet, you might want to think, what would someone else prefer? So you may want to jump and do the expensive hardwood. So hopefully that was very helpful for you, and I'm available to answer any questions whenever you have them. Thanks for joining us. Please subscribe to our channel.